Jobsite India wishes a very good morning and welcomes all aspirants. Day to day incidents are most important part in your competitive exams like Staff Selection Commission, Union Public Service Commissions, railways, banks, management, and others, as well as very helpful to those who want to keep themselves up to date. You all are requested to enjoy this informative video till end without skipping. Without further delay, let's start. Mostly, we all ride bicycle, but do we really know when World Bicycle Day is celebrated? Is it 1st June, 2nd June, 3rd June, or 4th June? Really very good and funny kind of question. It's celebrated on 3rd June. In April 2018, the United Nations General Assembly declared June 3 as International World Bicycle Day. The resolution for World Bicycle Day recognizes the uniqueness, longevity, and versatility of the bicycles, which has been in use for 2 centuries, and that is a simple, affordable, reliable, clean, and environmentally fit, sustainable means of transport. Let's move to our next question. According to the Statistics Ministry, the Indian economy contracted by how much percent in the fiscal year 2020-21? 6.9%, 7.3%, 8.3%, or 9.8%? Let's check the answer. It's 7.3%. India's economy contracted 7.3% in 2020-21. Official data showed Monday 31st May 2021 its worst recession since independence as coronavirus lockdowns put millions out of work. Let's have our next question. WHO has given what names to the COVID 19 variants first found in India? Beta and Gamma, Alpha and Beta, Kappa and Delta, or Zeta and Theta? Let's have the answer, please. The answer is Kappa and Delta. The B.1.617.1 and B.1.617.2 COVID 19 variants that were first identified in India have been named as Kappa and Delta, respectively, by the World Health Organization. The naming has been done to simplify the public discussion about the variants. Let's have our next question, please. WHO is an important topic nowadays, so let's know something about WHO. The full form is World Health Organization. It was formed on 7th April 1948 and the headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. Now the Director General is Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. Let's move to our next question. Next question is, what is the new name of the first COVID-19 variant discovered in United Kingdom? In short, we can say UK. Alpha, Beta, Gamma, or Delta? Let's check the answer. It is option A, Alpha. The World Health Organization names the first discovered B.1.1.7 COVID 19 variant in the UK, Alpha. The first discovered B.1.351 COVID 19 variant in South Africa, named Beta, and the first identified P.1 COVID 19 variant in Brazil, named Gamma. Let's move to the next. The Indian Broadcasting Foundation IBF has announced to rename the organization due to the inclusion of digital platforms under its scope. So, what will be the new name of IBF or Indian Broadcasting Foundation? Indian Foundation for Broadcasting and Digital Platform, Indian Broadcasting Technology Limited, Indian Digital Broadcasting Network, or Indian Broadcasting and Digital Foundation. Let's see what's the answer. The answer is option D, Indian Broadcasting and Digital Foundation. The Indian Broadcasting Foundation, the apex body of broadcasters in India, is being renamed as Indian Broadcasting and Digital Foundation. Let's move to our next question. As per new norms of government, what is the maximum amount of insurance benefit under the EDLI scheme? Rupees 5 lakh, rupees 6 lakh, rupees 7 lakh, or rupees 8 lakh? Let's check the answer. The answer is rupees 7 lakh. The insurance benefits under the EDLI scheme have been enhanced and liberalized, particularly to help the families of employees who have lost their lives due to COVID. Amount of maximum insurance benefit has been increased from rupees 6 lakh to rupees 7 lakh. So, what is the full form of EDLI? EDLI stands for Employee Deposit Linked Insurance. Let's next. How many Indian peacekeepers have been selected for the prestigious UN posthumous medal, Doug Hammarskjöld Medal, in 2021? 6, 5, 4, or 3? The answer is option D, 3. Three Indian peacekeepers who died while serving in a UN peacekeeping mission in 2020 have been selected for the posthumous United Nations Medal of Honor, Dag Hammarskjöld Medal, for their courage and sacrifice in the life of duty. So, being Indian, it should be a pride moment. Let's move to the next. Know something about UNO. So, the full form of UNO is United Nations Organization. Established on 24th October 1945. Headquarter New York City. General Antonio Guterres, Portugal. Let's move to our next. The tenure of the Chief of Research and Analysis Wing, that is R&AW or RAW, has been extended for 1 year till June 22. Who is he? Ravindra Kaushik, Mohanlal Bhaskar, Saraswati Rajmani, or Samant Kumar Goyal? Let's check the answer. The answer is option D, Samant Kumar Goyal. The term of the Chief of Government Research and Analysis Wing, RAW, has been extended for 1 year from June 30, 2021 to June 30, 2022. Let's move to the next. Which medal did Mary Kom win at the 2021 SBC Asian Boxing Championship? Gold, silver, bronze, or none of the above? The answer is option B, silver. On May 30th, 2021, in the high octane 51 kg final in Dubai, Mary Kom lost to two-time world champion Nazim Kiziabe. So let's move to our next question. What is the name of the new PM project launched by the government for mentoring young authors? YUVA, Lakshya, Guru, Unnati. Yuba, Lakshya, Guru, or Unnati? Answer is option A, Yuba. The Ministry of Education, Department of Higher Education today launched Yuba, Prime Minister's scheme for mentoring young authors, an author mentorship program to train young and budding authors below 30 years of age in order to promote reading, writing, and book culture in the country, and Project India and Indian writings globally. Let's have today's question of the day. What is the new name of the first COVID 19 variant discovered in South Africa? Try to answer yourself. Thank you for watching till end. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please attempt our current affairs test series, current affairs quiz for your revision purposes. The link is in our description box. Please do subscribe, like, and share with your acquaintances. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest updates. Till our next video, do take care of yourself and have a great day ahead. Thank you once again.